Appetizers contribute to the success of your festive meal. Here is an idea you should try: the beef and onion samosas. They can be prepared in advance and reheated in the oven to make them crispy again when needed. Here are the ingredients for 30 samosas. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. To prepare the stuffing, mince 250 grams of onions. For the sauce, put in a bowl 1 teaspoon of chosen cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, a quarter teaspoon of salt, some ground pepper. Mix all. To cook the stuffing, put 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan heated over medium-low heat. When it's hot, add the onions. Stir from time to time for 5 minutes. Add the ground beef. Turn on high heat. Stir for 30 seconds. Add the sauce and stir for 30 seconds. Add 100 grams of frozen peas. Stir for 1 minute. Cut the fat and let it cool. Take 2 samosa sheets to have double thickness. The samosas will be crispier. Cut them in 2 strips of about 5 centimeters wide. To prevent the 2 strips from moving during samosa making, stick them with drops of cornstarch diluted with a little water. Put 1 teaspoon of stuffing at the edge. Make a first triangle enclosing the stuffing. Flip this triangle towards the opposite side, and so on. By flipping the triangle, my fingers press to tighten the samosa. At the end, there is a piece of sheet left. Slide it inside. Fry them on medium-low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Flip them when they are golden. Enjoy them when they are crispy. Bon appétit! These beef and onion samosas are ideal as a festive appetizers. The several layers of cheese make a delicious crispy puff pastry. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.